What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. We are here with Let's Get Live. You know, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Yes, link in the description. But yeah, we about to take off with the drone and stuff, and about to load up his Scion TC with the Birthday Mantis wrap, turbocharged. You said it's putting down like 200 without the flywheel and clutch.
Yeah, it's putting down 250 without the flywheel and clutch, and with the flywheel and clutch, I'm expecting like 300.
Okay.
That's like between 280 and 300. That's what the engine could hold, like safely without damaging anything, because it's stock internals.
Right.
But yeah, I just want to keep it there and then see what we could do.
How much you think the car weighs?
I would say between like 23 to 2,500, maybe less.
Imagine 300 horsepower with that kind of weight. Oh my gosh.
Bro, it flies, bro. Like it feels good, and I got that steering wheel on here, man. So
oh yeah, you got the
I don't know, it just feels really good, man. Oh, you didn't see the interior earlier, so
I actually haven't. You think you can keep up with the Tesla?
Ooh, nah, ain't nothing touching the Tesla.
Oh yeah.
Ain't nothing touching the Tesla, man.
Manual, what's this, a 5-speed?
Yep.
Okay.
5-speed manual. No gauges, no nothing like that. It's real like stealthy.
Okay.
Especially without the wrap, like this car just looks real like a basic TC.
Like sleeper car, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna take flight.
Alright.
Let's see.
I hope you know where you're going.
Yeah, it says there's a plane in the area, so we gotta watch out.
That's clutch. Alright, go down. Get a look at this green on white. Definitely clean. Sound like you want to do a little burbling going on. It sounds good too. I ain't gonna hold you. All I smell is fumes. Oh, I thought that was oil. You hear the turbos just spooling.
Alright, now let's.
We got the drone flying eye level, well, stomach level for me. Hey, look. Got the wing coming off. Alright, so where we at?
Welcome to Grace to Grace Automotive. It's a repair shop. Got 3 lifts. Girl does everything. So if y'all need anything, this is the place to come. I mean, foreign, domestic, he does that on work here, man. So he's the head mechanic. I mean, y'all come here, you can ask for him, but he got an office and everything. It's real big business, man. Grace Automotive. Come see it. Come check us out.
You heard it.
Yeah.
So he here to drop off the TC. It's gonna be getting a clutch swap and a flywheel swap, right?
Yep.
All right.
Clutch and flywheel. I've got some motor mount inserts that hopefully we'll be able to get on there while everything is apart.
He said which one to take it out.
We need to make some space on that lift for sure. So the key for the BM is on there. You could probably pull that out. I'll move the 300. Get this thing going. But yeah, just clutch, flywheel, motor mounts. I need to get some transmission and gear fluid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So man, this is real big day for me, man. I remember when I put the turbo on my Integra right there on those lifts. Car came out the garage, boosted. Feel me? Drove it for a little bit, got it tuned, and yeah, it was a fun build. That was my college days cars, but since I came up across this car, it just reminds me of them days, man. So I couldn't let the car go. $1,000, man. I got this car for $1,000.
Right.
If you want to know how, man, make sure you comment, subscribe to his page, subscribe to mine, do something. But I'll teach you how you could buy cars like this for $1,000. Came boosted. Made like 250 horsepower, and I'm just trying to get it to the point where it becomes a track car. So
right.
You feel me?
We need to do a vlog on that place we was talking about. Where you got the thing from?
Oh yeah. Yeah, because that's
yeah.
You know.
Yeah. So
yeah, for sure.
Definitely need to do that.
Let's get this out the way.
So yeah.
That's word
We
is bond. Yep.
Definitely gotta see this thing on the road because the weight to power ratio is just, it's about to be insane. A 2,300 pound car with 300 horsepower, an upgraded clutch, upgraded flywheel, turbocharged. Come on, man. Come on. Now if he could put the boost button thingy, that anti-lag button thingy, where it thrusts the turbo spool. Oh my gosh, this car be a devil on the track. So yeah, hoping to see this thing on the street soon. Let's go ahead and ask him when he's gonna get this on the road. So when you think this is gonna be on the road?
I'm shooting before Grid Life.
Mm-hmm.
Grid Life is pretty much the event that I'm trying to prepare the car for. So that's August 6th through 8th.
Okay.
But obviously this clutch shouldn't take more than a day. So, you know, hopefully what's today? Sunday, tomorrow Monday, if bro is able to come in here, I'll give him a hand and record too, vlog a little bit, but it should be out the shop by Tuesday, and that's like best case scenario, you feel me?
Right.
But yeah, I'm definitely trying to get it to Grid Life, so that's the next deadline for real.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
We gotta see this thing moving. I need to see you flying past. I need to stop hearing Hellcats and hear this thing.
I know, right? That's all everybody. Hellcats, Scat Packs.
Right.
What, Hellcats, Scat Packs. Y'all don't know nothing else. Damn. Mustangs.
You got an exhaust on this?
Yeah, it's got a four exhaust.
Okay, cool.
I think it's like 3 inch. So.
Then you got a what is that thing called again? The gold radiator?
Intercooler.
Okay, yeah, intercooler.
The space right there between the horn, I'm about to put a oil cooler in there.
Okay.
And then the line is gonna come down and tap into where the oil filter goes.
Okay.
And then the other crazy thing is I'm about to put an exhaust cutout valve on it.
Okay.
And I'll be able to open up the valve.
Yeah.
And then close it too.
Gotcha.
So that's gonna be nice too.
Definitely. It's about to be a beast on the road and on the track. Y'all check it out. Let's Get Live. Link in the description below. And y'all go hit up my man for any towing needs y'all have. 24/7 DJ is towing. Check him out. Alright, so y'all see the business cards. DJ's 24/7 towing. Go ahead and lock in that number if you need it. For any of your towing needs, go ahead and hit them up. All Ohio area.
repair to me. I'll just set up a camera and do all that shit, bro. I really don't mind. It's not that hard to do,
Y'all see
bro.
the clutch.
It's really not.
Y'all see it. This is the kit too, so I guess this is like a filter or what is this? I don't know. You got the clutch. You got the flywheel.
It's gonna get done.
It's pretty lightweight too. It's a lightweight flywheel, but very lightweight. It's probably like, I say 20 pounds maybe.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Probably lighter than that, to be honest, but this thing about to be in action. Because currently the clutch is slipping, so. Yeah, don't let me fall over.
Nah, I think you're alright. Oh, word, let's get this on the big blog.
Alright, so what we doing?
So this is the exhaust cutout valve that I talked about earlier.
Okay.
I wanted to show it to you. And I also wanted to see if it'll actually fit where I'm trying to put it, so. I haven't actually been under this car in a minute, and yes, it is gonna fit.
The right side.
Yeah, it'll clear that tunnel too, so yeah. I'll probably do it this way, that way,
Yeah.
so backwards, and then run the wire up that way. But yeah, so this is what I wanted to see.
What you think is gonna fit though? Like, in case you like bottom out?
Oh no, it's gonna go right.
It's gonna go in there, because what I'm seeing is like,
Like, it looks like it's gonna sit at an angle.
yeah, it's definitely gonna sit at an angle.
You got a good point there.
That's true. But it'll be over here, so I think it could clear up a little bit. It's bumping right there because it's sticking out. But once it's over here, it'll be able to go up some more clearance. The lowest part of the car is actually right here, right here.
Okay.
Because it's not sitting properly from the accident.
Right.
So this is all supposed to be higher, but it is what it is. I ain't really worried about it being perfect. I just want this bitch to smoke your car and then be like, whoa, is that a Scion? That's the go. So yeah, after we do the clutch, then I'm gonna take it over down the street to Oz's muffler shop. That's another good guy in the neighborhood too. I'll introduce y'all to him. If you need any muffler work done, he's worked on pretty much all my cars, so you know that's a good person for you to meet too. So
I wish I would've known when I was doing my downpipes.
ooh, yeah, he's done some crazy stuff, bro. I've seen him put some crazy exhaust work together, but this is my first time doing this, so I'm super excited, man.
That's what's up, man. I've never actually seen a exhaust actuator. Like, I see them on YouTube all the time, but not like in person.
Yeah. What sucks is like I had the switch in there where I thought I was just gonna like pop the switch and boom, it opens the valve. But this came with its own controller,
Okay.
where you could hit it and like just use the controller and open it. So what's nice is it allows you to open it just a little bit or all the way.
Okay.
If I was just hitting a switch, it's just either open or close, and you know I think it would be better to control it.
Yeah.
Control it, so.
It's like, I think like FI does the same thing too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. You're right.
It's about to be
man.
moving. It sound good too. Even just the way it is now, it sounds pretty good.
Subscribe to his channel, subscribe to mine. Check out, you know, some videos that we got, and stay tuned for what we got coming, man. That's all.
Y'all see it.